Again. Stand up. Stand up. No. Stand up. Don't be lazy. Strong. Never good at school. Leave me alone. Bully alone. Who's bullying you, man? Who hurt you? Look, I'm guessing you're not from America, but like, I literally trying to correct you the way you say shake. Shake. You know? S-H-A-K-E. Shake. Shake. If I'm bullying you, I would say you dumbass bitch. You can't even fucking spell it right. Like, you know what I mean? That's bully. I never bully people that, even though my English is not 100% perfect, even when my friends say, they trying to speak English, but I know they, use Google Translate instead of like, she's my girlfriend. He said like, he's my girlfriend. I was like, no, she's your girlfriend. She's his girl. He's a guy, you know? And yeah, I always do like that. I never really. Why would I bully? When I know the knowledge, I just share. I just go. Like, if you really